All right, what's going on, guys? All right, so we're going to talk about the two most dangerous trades you can possibly take, and by avoiding these trades and or having some rules in place will improve your win rate significantly. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to pull up the chart here, and what we see on the right-hand side, this is Gabe Trends, and we have a trade thesis to the downside. I'm actually going to wait for that candle break below Gabe's trends, and then I will take the trade south. So I'm just going to go ahead and set my order there to catch price action should it come my way and fill. What are we looking at here? Well, guys, we're looking at the 200. Now, I'm going to go to a single screen so you can see this clearly. Now, here at Trade 1348, we give you the levels, so the levels are never a mystery. Of course, we see here price action respecting a level, and we could see here price action rejecting off of a level. No more having to manually put your levels or find ghost levels, if you will, right? Because we give you the most valid levels, period. We have a trade design up here, and this trade at market open, which we tend to avoid. We don't like to open into volatility, but there were a few disqualifying things about this trade. Number one, you have the 200 here. We do not trade against the 200. That is called fading the trend. That is being a contrarian. And when you do that, you're saying screw 200 points of data, because the 200 EMA is comprised of 200 5-minute units, right? Especially since we're on a 5-minute time frame. Now, if we were on the daily, it would be 200 days, right? And so if we have an average that is maintained over 200 periods, do you want to argue against that? Never. It's data that is held true for over 200 periods, okay? So this is why we do not like to trade against the 200. Now, of course, we do have our anomalies here, and we break the 200, just barely, because we got rejected by this level here. Let me draw it. Right there, this level at 21,997, completely rejected. I don't like to take a trade unless we get a level break and a hold, meaning a candle sustains itself above a level, which brings me to my next point. The second most dangerous trade you can take is a trade that has not had a candle close. As you're breaking a level, you want a candle close. This is very, very dangerous if you don't do that, because as you're coming up to a level, you have buy and sell orders, right? That there's a high concentration of buy and sell orders, and we just don't know who's going to win. But what happens there is if you prematurely take the candle breaking through, but then it rejects and you get a nice big wick as established right here, then you get hurt dearly. We're looking at the trade. This is live, guys. I'm going with the trend here, currently up $11,000. Let me see if I can get this zoomed in. 11,000, 12,000, and we're coming down to this level here, 18,000, 17,000. Yeah, this is probably more than I deserve, guys. We're doing this live. This is the day after Christmas, and yeah, we're just using Trade 1348 with the sell signal coming on down, and we're making money. Now, let's go ahead and flip this on over. Remember, we talked about Gabe Trends and breaking Gabe Trends. This is where my money's made. And if you would like to get access to Gabe Trends, just hit us up at trade1348.com. Join the community absolutely free for 7 days. Guys, there's no I told you so here. It's be objective and look at what the chart tells you. Very, 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 very simple. So I'm looking at this, and yes, it's obvious the market gave me more than I deserve. And just like we were talking about levels and breaking the levels, and there's a high concentration of orders as we approach a level, I don't want to get caught in that volatility as I'm attempting to secure profit. So what I'm going to do is simply say, all right, once we're up 20,000 or so, maybe just secure the trade, right? And if I see, yeah, we get a little bit of a retracement, you know what? The market has given me more than I deserve here. I'm going to set a stop here, and I'm going to protect my entry, and I'm going to let it go. This is now a free trade. I'm not worried about the 10K or the 9K. I guess for YouTube, I should take profit. Right? I should take profit for YouTube. It's like, Gabe, don't be greedy. Um, and so what I'm trying to do is see if we can get, we'll go ahead and set a buy limit down here where that wick was previously. We're going to see if we can get down there, and it doesn't look like we will. So I'm going to have to take what's now 7,000, 6,000, 7,000. I'm going to have to take it. I'll just take it right now. Well, there you have it, guys. We make money. We take money. Sometimes we don't take the money, but we still make the money. But most importantly, we don't lose the money. All right. See you in the next one. Peace.